This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi at Dubai Airport. First, ensure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on and search for available networks. You will look for the official DXB free Wi-Fi option among the list, as this is the standard, complimentary service. Selecting this network is your initial step towards getting online during your stopover or visit. Be prepared to register using your mobile phone number for a smooth connection process. Dubai Airport provides two excellent options for staying connected. Initially, you can enjoy 2 hours of complimentary high-speed internet, which is perfect for catching up on emails or quick browsing. After this initial period, you can seamlessly switch to unlimited, slower free access to stay online without interruption. For those requiring consistently faster speeds, premium internet packages are readily available for purchase, offering various durations to suit your needs. Connecting to the airport Wi-Fi is quite straightforward. Once you have tapped on the DXB free Wi-Fi network, your device should automatically redirect you to the airport's dedicated Wi-Fi portal page. If it does not, simply open your web browser and a prompt will appear. Here, you will be asked to enter your valid mobile number, which is a crucial step for the registration process. After entering your mobile number, you will promptly receive a unique verification code via SMS to that registered device. Carefully input this 6-digit code into the designated field on the Wi-Fi portal page. Once the code is accepted, you will need to review and agree to the airport's terms and conditions for Wi-Fi usage. Upon acceptance, you will gain immediate and unrestricted internet access, ready to browse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.